Right, so how to remove the brakes. It's actually pretty straightforward, especially in RX-8 if you want to change the actual brake lines. The brake lines is literally, you unscrew this, all of this comes out, you unscrew this, take off the clip here, and then you just unscrew this bit here, this screw here, in front of the light. Okay, much better. So you unscrew this screw here, this entire assembly pops out. You start unscrewing this, take off this clip because this is a safety clip here, and then you start unscrewing this screw. This all comes out. You can take the actual lines off. To take the calipers and the disc, so the discs, which retain them is these two screws. Make sure you take them off before you take the caliper, because otherwise they do tend to spin. So just a little tip. And here it's pretty straightforward. You got this screw here, and you got another one here at the bottom. And actually, no. Yes. This screw and another at the bottom. The actual caliper comes out, and then there's two screws here. One here you can see because there's a light, and one at the bottom, and this front assembly comes off. It's pretty straightforward. Right, now it's time to do the second part. I decided to do things a little bit differently. I got a big bucket here, and I connected the rods, it's fine, but I'm actually using a old laptop battery charger. And this is because my previous one, and one of the reasons it took so long, is that it had 0.25 amps of power and it was outputting 12 volts. This one, you guys won't be able to see it, but this one does 19.5 volts at 3.3 amps. So in theory, you should do it faster. I got already everything prepped, and now I'm just gonna dunk it and turn it on and see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Got the little bubbles and everything. Now it's just a matter of wait and see. Because there's more amperage, instead of waiting 24 hours, I'm actually going to check every 3-4 hours and keep you posted on the progress.
A few moments later.
Okay, so 24 hours have passed. This is actually not bubbling anymore. So we'll see how this behaves. See how it looks. Still see some gunk on it, but I want to see if it's just superficial or if it needs to stay longer in the actual soup. Let's see how the sacrificial anodes look like. Oof, nasty. Alright then, let's do some cleanup and then get back to it. Okay, let's see if this comes out. It does. I don't see anything here that would not come out without after a proper scrubbing. So yeah, that's literally all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash this and get ready for paint. Yeah, everything is coming off. Perfect. Okay, so electrolysis, although some people say it's good for removing paint, actually didn't work here. So I had to basically scrub this. I still need to scrub a little bit more using one of these. And then this is going to be ready to paint. Now, to avoid damaging the O-rings, the rubber, the O-ring seals, the rubber seals, Jesus, I don't know what to talk today. To avoid stopping damaging these rubber seals, what you do actually is you grab a bit of wood, you put it here, and then you just shove a little bit of compressed air and the entire piston will come out. You then take it off and you can take everything off, and here it is, the piston and the rubber seals. And yeah, so now I just need to carry on scrubbing this and then it'll be ready to be painted. Not bad. Minor adjustments that need to be made here, but not bad at all. Alright, so another day. I haven't attached the calipers yet. I just put it there just so I could have an idea of how good it would look, and I like it. So there's that. I still need to take it off and put the brake line and the actual pads.